Hi, I'm Hannah. Welcome. Today I have a couple looks. I'm not sure how many. I'll put it on the screen here. Using my Valentine's palette. It is after Valentine's Day, but I mean, pink and purple and shimmery goodness is all year round, so I figured that's okay. There has been a couple changes to my palette since I made it in a video a couple days ago. I had originally put 16 shadows in, and then I was a little disappointed that it didn't look as like moody as I wanted it to. And when I started to make a look with it, I felt like I didn't have the necessary components and it was kind of a wreck. So I thought, like, why stick to 16 just because that was like my original idea? Why not add some more in to actually make it a better, useful palette? So I'll show you the additions. I did swap out one. I had Sydney Grace Peanut Butter in, which is kind of like a mid-tone brown, but in use, I felt like it was a little bit too similar to Give Me Glow at the Beach, that it wasn't necessary. So instead, I added in a more mid-toned peachy shade. This is Give Me Glow Last Summer. Then I added in Terra Moon's Half Moon, just to give it a little different kick. Super pretty, super light blue. This is Heiress from Colourpop. This is Sincerely from Colourpop. And this one is Purp Smurf from Colored Raine. So with the addition of these 5, and you could find the swatches for the other ones in that original video, I felt like this was a much more cohesive palette that was much more conducive to actually producing the looks that I like to produce. So stick around, I have all of the looks that I came up with this palette here for you right now.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light today, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is silent, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light today, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
And that was everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a favorite from these looks, tell me down below. I'd be so curious to hear that. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more makeup looks, more single shadows, indie shadows using what I have, please give me a like, subscribe, stick around. That would be awesome. And that's everything for today. Thank you for being here. Bye.